Acacia Fiber, the superior superfiber for optimal gut health and vitality. Are you looking for a natural solution to support your gut health and overall wellness? Look no further. Acacia Fiber has emerged as a superior alternative to the more commonly known Psyllium Husk, boasting an impressive array of health benefits that make it the smarter choice for those who take their well-being seriously. In this deep dive article, we'll explore how Acacia Fiber eclipses Psyllium Husk as the ultimate gut health champion with its unparalleled soluble fiber content, mineral richness, and energy-boosting properties. Understanding fiber's role in gut health. Before we delve into the specifics of Acacia Fiber, let's unpack the importance of dietary fiber for gut health. Soluble fiber, found in high concentrations in both acacia fiber and psyllium husk, is the key element. This type of fiber dissolves in water, transforming into a gel-like substance in the digestive system that aids in promoting healthy bowel movements, fostering beneficial gut bacteria, and maintaining a balanced digestive ecosystem. Why acacia fiber outshines psyllium husk? Now let's get to the heart of why acacia fiber surpasses psyllium husk. Acacia fiber, derived from the sap of the acacia senegal tree, is a powerhouse of nutrition. With a remarkable 90% to 97% pure, soluble dietary fiber content, it stands head and shoulders above psyllium husk's 70% fiber composition. This means that acacia fiber not only supports gut health more effectively, but it also requires lower intake quantities to achieve the same dietary fiber benefits. Minerals and vitamins make a difference. In addition to its superior fiber content, acacia fiber is enriched with pharmaceutical-grade minerals and vitamins, namely magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These are crucial for overall health but also play specific roles in gut function. Magnesium, for instance, helps in relaxing the muscles within the digestive tract, which promotes regularity. Furthermore, a diet rich in magnesium can help combat fatigue, providing a natural energy boost that many fiber supplements lack. In contrast, psyllium husk falls short on delivering these additional nutritional benefits. Its mineral and vitamin content are minimal, making it less compelling for those looking to enhance their dietary regimen with extra nutrient support. The benefits of acacia fiber for gut health and beyond. The high soluble fiber content and nutrient-rich profile of acacia fiber offer numerous health benefits. Gentle on digestive system, its superior fiber content helps ease bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation and supporting overall digestive health without causing excessive gas or bloating, often associated with other fibers. Promotes a healthy microbiome. Acacia fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This not only improves gut, maintains blood sugar levels. By slowing down digestion, acacia fiber can help maintain more stable blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or striving for balanced energy throughout the day. Supports weight management. Acacia fiber's ability to promote feelings of fullness can aid in weight management efforts by helping to curb appetite naturally. Rich in nutrients. The inclusion of vitamins and minerals in acacia fiber turns it into a multifaceted supplement. These nutrients support a myriad of bodily functions beyond the digestive system, including bone health, muscle function, and combating fatigue. Choose acacia fiber for your wellness routine. The addition of acacia fiber to your daily regimen can be a game changer for your gut health and overall vitality. Incorporating this superb fiber into your diet is simple, with it being available as a powder that can easily dissolve in beverages or be mixed into foods without altering their taste or texture. Psyllium husk may have been the go-to fiber supplement for years, but with acacia fiber's superior soluble fiber content, nutrient richness, and additional health benefits, it's clear that acacia fiber is deserving of the title as the best source of dietary fiber on Earth. Commit to your health today and experience the transformative benefits of acacia fiber. Feel the difference in your digestive health, energize your body with its nutrient-dense profile, and embrace a more balanced and thriving life with nature's superior superfiber. Discover the purity and potency of our high-quality acacia fiber supplements in our health and wellness e-commerce store and take the first step towards optimal gut health and enhanced vitality. Because you deserve nothing less than the best that nature has to offer. As we constantly strive to provide you with the latest and most effective natural health solutions, remember to stay tuned to this space for more insights and product offerings. Your journey towards a healthier you is just a click away.